All right, we are in our hotel now. We are in Fort Lauderdale, and there's a few things I want to talk about. But first, we're going to give you a tour of the room. There's Voyager T doing her work in the corner. This is where we do our work, in the corner of the room. I'm doing the tour, so she wanted out of the way.
Yes.
So, anyway, let's do the tour of the room. We are at Comfort Inn and Suites in Fort Lauderdale. You can throw a rock and hit the airport. You can throw another rock and hit the cruise port. So we're right smack dab in the middle. We are not near any beach. We're not on the sand, nothing like that. No ocean view. We're just on the main street. So, one night we didn't really care because it's at night anyway. So anyway, here's the bathroom. I'll turn on the lights. Ooh, that's a nice little cool light. I like that mirror with the light going around. I think it's cool. No fog mirrors? Oh, cool. That's fancy. So here's the shower. Nice, big, huge shower. I mean, that's probably one of the biggest showers I've ever seen in a hotel. Let's go ahead and get in here, just to give you guys a perspective of how big this shower is. I mean, I'm going to start here. Let's get over here. I'm going to start here. I'm going to run all the way to the other end. I mean, look at this. This thing is massive. Good Lord, you can do laps in this shower. It's got a couple rails. I think it's a handicap shower, so that's probably why it's so big, because it's got a lot of rails. So it's got one big rail to hold on to, so that's good. Nice shower. Commode, obviously. Another mirror to look at yourself again. Here's our luggage for cruise day tomorrow. Here's our bed. And here is end tables on either end of the bed. And then it's got like a little cutoff section. It's got a chair where you can sit here and do some work. It's got a desk. That's kind of cool. There's our pizza that we ate as soon as we got in. But yeah, here's the desk area. Nice little area. Couch. That door right there is a closet. It does have a refrigerator. It does have a microwave, and it does have a little bitty coffee maker with some coffee supplies, some cups, thing for your ice. Refrigerator's pretty big too. It's old, but actually it's pretty good. Here's your closet. So yeah, it's a nice big room. This is a king. I don't think they called this they might have called this a junior suite king. We paid about $200 for this room for one night. Going to the cruise port tomorrow, it wasn't worth paying. I think they were asking $400, $500. I mean, they were asking that much just to get a room near the ocean, not even an ocean view. When we got off the airplane and found the taxi, we told the taxi driver they line them up and you have to walk a little ways to get to the taxis. But once we got to the taxis, we told them that we wanted to go to Comfort Inn on Dania Beach. They were not happy. We couldn't figure out why. I was like, why are they so mad? Because we want to go to Dania Beach. It was 1.7 miles from the airport. So I think the reason why he was upset is because they line all those taxis up, like 30 or 40 of them sitting there waiting to pick somebody up. He was one of the first taxis there. We asked him to drive us 1.7 miles. It ended up being like $14 for the taxi. But he was so mean to us and rude because he refused to take a credit card. He said, cash only, I will not accept a credit card. So I gave him $20 and we just got out of there because, no clue why he was so upset. But I think that's why he was upset, because he knew he had to go back to the airport and wait in that long line for somebody else. But that's the way Fort Lauderdale is, because most people who are coming to Fort Lauderdale are either going to the beach or going on a cruise. And both of them are right by the airport, so I don't see how he can get that upset about it. So anyway. And good morning to everyone. We just woke up, almost ready to hit the ship, and look out my window, and what do I see? Couldn't see this last night because we got in late, but opened the window, looked out, and like, man, what is that out there? It's our cruise ship. It's the Wonder of the Seas. I'll get to zoom in here and show you just how close we are from this hotel. So the hotel is super convenient as far as from the airport to the hotel to the cruise ship. Super convenient. Not a lot of flash. It's not an ocean view. You know, it's no beaches. But for the price, if you're going cruising, pretty good hotel. The bed slept well last night. Nice and cool. Air conditioning worked. Shower was wonderful. So yeah, it's a great little hotel to stay in for a cruise. Alright, that does it for the Comfort Inn and Suites in Fort Lauderdale on Dania Beach, or near Dania Beach. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please share, and we will see you soon on our next cruise. Bye bye.